You've booked your first Brazilian wax, but what happens next? Is it smooth sailing or a bumpy road? Today we're uncovering the real after-story nobody shares, and the last part will surprise you. Before that first wax, most people expect pain and redness. But reality? Most discomfort fades within hours. One huge myth: hair does not grow back thicker. The immediate aftermath? Surprisingly smooth for most, just minimal sensitivity. Here's what clients discover after a few months. No more daily shaving. Hello, extra time. Skin care changes. Exfoliation and moisturizers become essential. MVP products? Gentle scrubs, calming oils, and nourishing serums. The biggest win? Confidence. That ready-for-anything vibe. Beach, date night, or everyday life. Less stress about body hair, and most importantly, feeling in control of self-care. Of course, there are challenges. Ingrown hairs? Fix regular gentle exfoliation. Regrowth cycles? Totally normal between sessions. Seasonal changes? Add SPF in summer, rich moisturizers in winter. Was it worth it? Most clients say yes for confidence, convenience, and smoother skin. If you're thinking about it, start slow, follow aftercare, and prioritize comfort. Ready to book your first wax? Comment your questions below. And hit subscribe for more real self-care stories. See you in the next video.